Guys, I have keys in my pocket and you're making noise. Good morning, C Nation. It's your boy Sir. Wow, your boy's back, man. It's been a while. It's actually been a while. I've been gone for a long period of time, but as you can see, guys, I'm back. And I just want to apologize for being away for so long. Yeah, I had to. For me to just be open, so I'm trying my best to be open to you guys. It's just that I lost my motivation. Like, I really did lost my motivation. Like, I was motivated at first to get monetized on YouTube, and finally I got monetized, and then I started making YouTube videos, and I wasn't really that motivated to continue. But yeah, so while I was away for like some weeks, was to just like get back up, to find my motivation back. Yeah, I hope me just picking this camera, because I just said let me just take this camera, me just picking this camera motivates me. Like, I actually use this footage, motivates me to like keep posting on schedule like I used to do before. And about the live stream, I don't think it's something I'm gonna be doing every single day, because I tried that, I did that, I became that, like my goal was to do it straight for 100 days, and I did that. Let's go. And after the 100 days I was less motivated, and I also didn't like how the what's it called, how the live stream keeps going. Like, though it was fun, but in the other way around, like I wasn't I'm gonna say it wasn't something like really like motivates me to continue doing, because sometimes I wonder why. But yeah, maybe it has to do with the people, also maybe it has to do with me. But yeah, guys, you're gonna see. Maybe I'm gonna set a date, or I'm just gonna just like that go live. But before I drop, I'm gonna let you guys know. By the way, your boy is back, and your boy is back. Maybe, I don't know, I just picked up this camera because I was about to go to the gym. And yeah, that's it. I'm gonna take you guys with me. Let's go. Yes, let's go. Now I'm on my way. Whew. So the gym where I go now, actually the gym my brother do go to, because I'm using his card, because mine stopped. Was it? I think I explained it to you guys, so you guys know the story. The gym I'm going to now is not far from me. It's about 10 minutes, or yeah, 10 minutes ride, or even lesser. But I'm not gonna take the car, so I'm just gonna jog it. Ooh, and we're gonna see. Let's go. Let's turn on the lights. Ooh, damn! Let's go. Join on begins. Damn. I have keys in my pocket and you're making noise. which I don't like. So I have to keep running with my hand holding my bucket. Let's go. So, this. Damn, it's really cold. Should I jump this? Yeah. Let's go. I'm almost at the gym. So, at the gym. Let's see this. Let's go. First, I'm gonna start with warming up. Let's go. I think this weight a little bit too light, too heavy to begin with. Well, I'm not gonna complain. I'm gonna do those 3 times. Yeah. I think it's up to every time. Yes guys, I just arrived home and my camera stopped working. My SD card was full. Like I should have known, I should have checked the camera because I have a lot of features in it. I didn't remove them or I didn't delete them. But yeah, the workout was intensive. Yeah, I trained my shoulders and I did some bicep workouts with it. It was nice and you guys would have loved to see it, I think. But yeah, that's if I use footage because I might not post this on YouTube, or I might, we're gonna see. It's gonna be really unfortunate if I didn't post on YouTube though. Well, I hope you guys, I think that's gonna be it for today. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. That's if I'm gonna post it. Don't forget to like this video, because by you guys liking this video, it's helped the algorithm for YouTube to actually promote my YouTube videos to other people, so that it's gonna actually motivate me to keep posting more YouTube content. So you guys understand. So don't forget to like this video, like, share it to one or two of your friends, and most importantly, if you're not subscribed, come on guys, what are you waiting for? Subscribe, man, subscribe. Let's go. Thank you guys for watching this video. I'm gonna see you guys next time. Peace.